This training video shows the installation procedures for the Video Intercom Reader Pro with a standard mount. Note that the mounting instructions demonstrated in this video apply to both Video Intercom Readers Pro and Video Readers Pro. There are two types of mounting options, a mullion and a standard mount. You can install the reader on a narrow surface using the mullion mount or on a single gang box using the standard mount. Next, let's review the standard mount. Install a recessed single gang box into the wall. Use the provided screws to attach the mounting plate to its single gang box. Place the cradle bracket on the mounting plate, angle as desired, then secure it with the provided screws. In the next segment, the wiring steps are reviewed. Shown here are the optional connection wires. Strip and connect the wires, then provision the device. It is important to use the backup battery to avoid any safety concerns. Using a backup battery on your PoE switch or injector is recommended in case of power outages. Access control devices like the Video Intercom Reader Pro must be continuously powered to provide access. Snap the reader in place, then secure it with the security set screw.